Can you tell me why you hang up? Or maybe what I need to do to keep you on the phone, so we can think this through. And I just wanna talk to you and give you every single reason why, but I can't get through. I can't get through to you. And the hardest part is waiting on the sun to come. So when you lay awake in bed tonight, I